Instant cameras are all about capturing and printing photos in seconds with a fun, retro feel. The best Polaroid cameras combine classic instant prints with modern features like autofocus, Bluetooth connectivity, and improved image quality. Popular options from Polaroid and Instax focus on ease of use, portability, and creative shooting modes, making them perfect for parties, travel, and everyday memories. Starting at number 1. KODAK Smile Instant Camera. The KODAK Smile Classic Digital Instant Camera is a fun and easy-to-use device that combines digital photography with instant printing. It captures high-quality 16mm images and prints them instantly on 3.5 4.25-inch zinc photo paper, which produces smudge-proof, water-resistant photos without the need for ink. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, users can also connect their smartphones to print photos directly from their gallery. Its sleek black design and simple operation make it ideal for capturing and sharing memories on the go, making it a great choice for parties, travel, and everyday moments. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera in charcoal gray is a stylish and easy-to-use instant camera designed for capturing and printing memories instantly. It automatically adjusts exposure for bright, clear photos without the need for manual settings, making it perfect for beginners and casual users. The camera uses Instax mini film to produce credit card-sized prints right after taking a shot, adding a fun and nostalgic touch to photography. With its compact design, built-in selfie mode, and simple one-button operation, it is ideal for parties, travel, and everyday moments where you want instant physical photos. Number 3. Polaroid Pop Instant 3x4 Photo Printer. The KODAK Printomatic full-color instant print digital camera is a compact and fun device designed for instant photography and creativity. It features a 5-megapixel digital sensor that captures vibrant images and immediately prints them on 2x3-inch zinc sticky-back photo paper, allowing users to easily share or decorate with their pictures. The camera is portable and simple to use, making it ideal for everyday moments, travel, and special events. With its colorful blue design and instant printing capability, it serves as a great gift option for birthdays, holidays, and other celebrations. Number 4. KODAK Printomatic Digital Camera. The Polaroid Pop. Wireless portable instant 3x4 photo printer and digital camera is a versatile all-in-one device that combines photography and instant printing in a compact design. It features a 20-megapixel camera for capturing high-quality photos and also supports 1080p HD video recording for clear and detailed videos. With its built-in touchscreen display, users can easily navigate settings, preview shots, and edit photos before printing. The device connects via Wi-Fi, allowing quick sharing and printing of images on 3x4-inch instant photo paper. Its sleek white design and portable build make it a great choice for capturing and printing memories on the go, whether for travel, events, or everyday fun. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini 90. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo-Classic Instant Film Camera is a stylish, retro-inspired instant camera designed for high-quality instant photography. It uses Instax Mini Film to produce credit card-sized prints that develop quickly after capturing a shot. This model offers advanced shooting modes such as party mode, landscape mode, macro mode, and bulb exposure, giving users more creative control compared to basic instant cameras. Its rechargeable battery and classic design make it both practical and elegant, appealing to photography enthusiasts who enjoy a vintage look with modern features. The Instax Mini 90 is ideal for capturing memorable moments at events, travel, and everyday life.